everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about a new grammar portion, articles. It's a very important grammar portion for small kids because in their textual exercises there is a question is must about this articles. So you have to know about what do you mean by article and which are the letters included in it. Today I am going to take this. So first of all we have to know what is article. The three small words a, an and the are called articles. Mainly they are used before nouns or adjectives to show if they are general or specific. Generally we can use this articles before the nouns. An umbrella, a boy, a ball, a man, like it's going on. And everyone knows about where we can use this article a and where we can use the article an and where we have to use the article the. Today we are going to discuss about it. So everyone, you have to know that the article is three small words a, an and the. We can use this before nouns or adjectives to show if they are general or specific. First of all, we have to know about which is vowel sounds and which are the consonant sounds. In the case of vowel sounds, everyone knew about it. The letters A, E, I, O, U are the vowel sounds. So what do you mean by consonant sound means? The letters other than vowels. That means the letters than vowels like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z are considered as consonant sounds. Mainly we are considering the sound of every letters. According to the sounds, we can classify it into two types, vowel sounds and consonant sounds. Before the vowel sounds, we can use the article an, and before the consonant sounds, we have to use the article a. According to the first sound of the noun, we can apply this a or an. We can classify articles into indefinite articles and definite articles. Mainly a and an are called indefinite articles, and the article the is considered as definite article. Indefinite articles a and an are called indefinite articles. We use them before nouns that are not specific. We can use the indefinite article a and an before the nouns, before the names that are not specific. We can use this a and an according to the sounds. We can use a before the consonant sound and before the vowel sounds. We can use the article a before the words that begins with a consonant or consonant sound. Example, this is a garden. Here in the sentence, this is a garden, we have used the article a before the noun garden. Garden, so start with the consonant sound g, garden, isn't it? So before the consonant sound we can use the article a. So this is a garden. The next example is, some stories do not have a happy ending. Some stories do not have a happy ending. In this word, before the word happy, we have used the article a happy ending. Her sound, that means H sound is consonant, so we have used a before the consonant sound. The next example is, if you have a doubt, ask your brother. Here, use the consonant sound before the noun doubt. When we think about this article, some questions will arise in our mind. Example, a uniform. Because the noun uniform starts with the letter U. U is also included in vowel sound, but we have to use the consonant sound a before the noun uniform. How it has happened? The next example is a European. How it is happening? It's a doubt. It will arise from our mind when we think about these articles and think about vowel sound and consonant sound. Okay, the next example is a unique. Unique also start with the letter U, but how it came a before the noun unique. Okay, the words uniform, European, unique, etc. begins with the vowels, but the sound of U as U. The sound of uniform we can consider as U sound. U sound is the consonant sound, so we have used a before the nouns. A uniform, a European, a unique. Because the sound of the first letter sound of the noun is U sound. U sound, uniform, European, unique. So we have used the consonant a before this noun. U is the sound of U is the consonant sound. So we have used a before these consonants. An award, an island, an honest, etc. These are some other doubts which will come across you. The word award begins with a consonant sound, but H is silent. So the word begins with the vowel sound an. So here you just notice that an award. An award is a word. An hour, HOUR, but whenever think about this noun, you have to know that you will think like that. Hour, H is consonant sound. So how it and has come before the noun hour. So you have to mainly think about this, that in the word hour, H is silent. So we have to be pronounced as hour, ow, O sound, that is a vowel sound. So we have to use hour. We have to use an before this noun. The next one is island. In island, an island. Okay. The next one is honest, an honest. H is silent, so we have to consider the next vowel O. Honest, honest. Island, I is also vowel sound, so we have to use an island. In honest, H is also silent, so we have to use an honest, etc. So the word hour begins with the consonant sound, but the H is silent, so the word begins with the vowel sound an. So we have to use the vowel sound and before these nouns, our, island, honest, etc. Okay. The next we can discuss about the definite article, that means the. The is called a definite article. We use definite article the to the following. Before nouns that are specific or that have been mentioned before. We can use this definite article the before the mentioned things. Because whenever we want to write a sentence, by using a or an, we can start this sentence, start the noun, we can start the sentence. But when we want to write the same noun again, the same mentioned noun again, that time we can use the definite article the before the noun. Example, a girl was planning to attend the meeting. A girl was planning to attend the meeting. A girl. A girl was. Before, it is saying about a particular girl. A girl was planning to attend the meeting. Okay, the next sentence is the girl. That means that particular girl. Here we haven't written a girl. We have written here the girl. That particular girl. The girl who wanted to attend the meeting, that particular girl forgot to take her phone. So we have used the definite article the before the nouns that are specific or that have been mentioned before. Before mentioned nouns, we can use this definite article the. The next condition is a definite article used to talk about a particular noun. Example, the President of India lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. We will not say a President of India. We have to say by using the definite article the President of India. It's a particular noun. The President of India lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. It's also a particular noun, Rashtrapati Bhavan. It's a particular noun, so we have to use the before this particular noun. Rashtrapati Bhavan we can use before this particular noun definite article the. So when we want to write about the particular nouns, we have to use this definite article the. The President of India lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. We can use this definite article the before some proper nouns such as mountain ranges. When we talk about the name of the mountain ranges, we have to consider it as a proper noun and we can use definite article the before the proper nouns, especially mountain ranges. When we think about mountain ranges, we have to give the article the before the mountain ranges name. The Himalayas, the Mount K2, etc. The next one is ocean and seas. When we talk about or write about the Indian write about the ocean and seas, we have to give the article the before the name of ocean and seas. The Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, etc. The next one is the rivers and deserts. When we want to write a name of a river or a desert, we have to use the definite article the before its name. Example, the Sindhu River, the Ganges, the Thar Desert, etc. So whenever we want to write the proper nouns, before the proper nouns we can use the definite article the. The Himalayas, the Mount K2, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Sindhu, the Ganges, the Thar Desert, etc. The next is the usage of definite article before the famous monuments. When we talk about famous monuments like the Victoria Memorial, the Eiffel Tower, we have to use the definite article the before these famous monuments. We will not use a or an. We have to use the definite article the before it. It is must. The Victoria Memorial, it's a famous monument, and the next one is the Eiffel Tower. Okay. The next one is holy books and newspapers. When we want to write the name of holy books, Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, Mahabharata, like, we have to use the definite article the before it, the Bhagavad Gita, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, etc. When we talk about the names of newspapers, Times of India and the Indian Express, we have to use the definite article the before it, the Times of India, the Indian Express, etc. So when we want to write about the particular nouns, that also we can use the definite article. Before that we can use definite article. The same time when we want to talk about the famous monuments, holy books and newspaper also, we have to use this definite article before its name. The next one is the things that are already one of a kind. Example, the planet, earth, the sun, etc. That we can use the definite article the earth, the sun, etc. The things are only one of a kind. It's they're only one, isn't it? Such kind of things we can use before the name of that things. We can use the definite article the planet earth, the sun, the moon, the Uranus, the Neptune, etc. Okay. The next one is trains. When we talk about the name of the trains, there are several trains in India, isn't it? So when we want to say the name of that trains, we have to use the definite article the before it. The Janashatabdi Express, the Mumbai Kanyakumari Express, etc. When we talk about the train names, that also we can use the definite article the. The next thing is the names of special buildings, theatres, stadiums and auditoriums. When we talk about the special buildings, theatres, stadiums and auditoriums, we have to use the definite article the. Example is the Gateway of India. Before the special building Gateway of India, we have to use the definite article the Gateway of India, the Globe, the Walt Disney Concert Hall, etc. Before the superlative degree of adjectives, we can use the definite article the. Example, William Wordsworth is considered as one of the greatest poets of English literature. In this sentence, it says about the greatest poet William Wordsworth, and he is considered as one of the greatest poets of English literature. One of the greatest. Here the superlative degree we have used the greatest here. Great, greater, greatest. The superlative degree greatest is here. So before the superlative degree we have used the definite article the greatest poets of English literature. The next example is, this is the best painting that I have seen. The best painting. This is the best painting. Because best is a superlative degree of good. Good, better, best. So we have to use the superlative before the superlative degree, the definite article the. This is the best painting that I have seen. Okay everyone, this is today's video. If you like my channel, you have to subscribe it, like and share. Okay, thank you.